Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today let's have a look at 10 questions that we ask every day. The first one, 干什么？干嘛？嘛呢？ In daily life, when we want to ask, what are you doing? We will say, 干嘛？干什么呢？ And in Beijing, we even say it in a shorter way, 嘛呢？嘛呢？ But in the textbook, HSK 1, the structure for what are you doing is 你在做什么, which is far too formal and out of date. In daily conversation, instead of how are you, we prefer to ask 你在干嘛呢? 你干什么呢? To start a conversation. The second one, 你是哪儿人? Or we also can ask 你是人吗? In English, the similar question is, where are you from? If you translate where are you from into Chinese, that will be 你来自哪里? 你来自哪里? However, this doesn't align with Chinese habit at all. We've never said this. We often ask 你是哪儿人? You are where people. Translate to English, that will be a little bit odd. This is also a really common small talk or icebreaker topic. Here is also another form. This one normally be asked when people already like 90% sure of where these people comes from through the accent or the diary habit. Examples. 你是北京人吗? 你是重庆人吗? 你是意大利人吗? The third one. 你微信多少? 我能加一下你微信吗? 我们加一下微信吧. In China, WeChat is kind of like the combination of WhatsApp, Instagram, or PayPal, Google Map. It has many functions, and people prefer to connect on WeChat instead of a phone number. The next one, 忙吗? 你最近忙吗? 你今天忙吗? 这周忙吗? This is a question similar to how are you, because most of Chinese people are really busy for every day. People are willing to discuss about whether you're busy or not, or what they are busy with, and so on. Of course, it's rare to hear people say not busy. We might think if you're not busy, which means you're not very important. Examples. 你现在忙吗? 我们开个小会聊一下明天的方案吧。今天忙吗？忙死了，从早上来一直忙到现在，还没吃午饭。Next one. 你周末有时间吗？方便吗？有空吗？These expressions are similar logic to English. They are used to ask people whether they are available, convenient, whether they are free. We might start by, are you available now? Then going to ask the questions or going to ask for help. Next one. After asking the last question, 你方便吗？你有空吗？ And you can continue to ask this one. If this person has time, then you can ask him for help or invite these people to do something together with you. 你周末有时间吗？想去看汪卡吗？最近 or 今天怎么样？ This one is also similar to how are you? 最近怎么样？还不错，有点忙。你呢？ Next one, let's see how to asking people for help. We separate this in two ways. When we ask questions to strangers, we use 请问。你好，请问最近的地铁站在哪儿？请问麦片在哪儿？ And when we talk with the people we've already know, we can say 你可以 do something 吗？你可以去外面抽烟吗？张老师，您可以帮我看一下这一题吗？你可以帮我看一下我的论文吗？ Next one, something 多少钱 or 怎么卖的。These two questions are all quite common in our daily life to asking the money. 西瓜多少钱？这个多少钱？ The last one, something 在哪儿买的 or 是什么的。When we ask 是什么的 normally means was a brand. We often use these to complement each other's tests. Of course, it must have context.
Like these examples, when you meet a friend, instead of how are you, you also can start by this.
哇，你的这条裙子好漂亮，在哪儿买的？是吧？我在淘宝买的。你今天的口红颜色真好看，是什么的？是 MSC 的柔雾淡。Okay, this is all of today's part. I hope these 10 questions will help you to understand Chinese structures and conversations more. I will see you on next videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications. Bye bye.